Hello everyone. As it is visible in the screen, now we are going to start a new question, swap nodes in pair in linked list. Like suppose you have a linked list. I'm just going to draw here. Suppose you have this linked list in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is present. Now you need to swap the nodes in pair. So that's mean you need to swap 2 with 1 and 1 with 2, 3 with 2 with 6, 5 with 6, 6 with 5. So the output will be 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. This will be your answer in node, right? So how we can solve such question and how swapping of two nodes in a pair. So let's check it out. As earlier we discussed about reversing and linked list. And how we were doing that? We were doing just by the using three pointers. Like there will be a previous pointer, current pointer, and next pointer, or the second pointer, we can say. So same here, we will solve this problem by using 4 pointer now. We will solve it by 4 pointer. And we can assume 4 pointer as first one is previous, then there will be a current, then there will be a second, and the last one we can assume by third. These four nodes will be there. And by manipulating this accordingly, we can solve the swap nodes in pair question. Now let's come here and suppose you have this linked list again. I am just drawing so that it will be properly clear and properly able to dry. Now, in each and every question, you will receive one head, right? So you can assume that head current is equal to head, right? And you can take one previous as null. Then you can use one condition here. Like I need to run a loop. So for running the loop, like I need to do that functionality till end of the node or till end in full linked list, right? Like once I will swap this, then this. If there will be more, so I need to swap them all. So that's why I'm using current and current dot next, so that I can run a loop till next last. Now here I will update. I will take a second node as the current dot next. Current dot next. Current dot next means suppose you have this is your head and this will be your current, and I took the previous somewhere here and it will be current, and now it will be the second and it will be the third. So second is equal to current dot next. Current is this one. So according to this is its next, which is second. Now I am just going to take the third as well. Third is equal to second dot next. Second dot next means this one is there and its next is this one. So that's how we got the second node also. So I just created 4 pointer here. Now I will do my swapping code here. For swapping, what I can do, that's really matter here, that how I am swapping here. So first of all, I am taking my second dot next is equal to current. That's mean which is pointing right now here. I am just closing this reference here or just closing this connection here and building a new connection with the current, right? 2 is pointing now 1. Right now, I need to update my current dot next. Current dot next, and this will point to the third. Right? Why third? Suppose this is the next, and it will point to the here. I will show you once more, but right now it is very hodgepodge here, so it is not properly visible. But I will show you again by showing the dry run. And now I need to update my previous dot next. Previous dot next will be the, like this is the previous, so it will point to the second now, right? So it will point to the second. So this one swapping part will done, and let me show you that how it's done. One, two, and three is there. Previous somewhere here, current somewhere here, second, and this one is third. So first of all, it is pointing to this, it is pointing to this, and it is not pointing to anywhere. So first of all, it lost this connection and it created a connection here. Again, here this is the current dot next which is pointing to second. I am just removing this connection and building a new connection with third, right? And then previous dot next, which is this, I am creating a new connection with the second. So in short, you have previous, then second, then current, then third. So previous is nothing, current is the two, sorry, second is the two, and current is the one, and third is the three. So see, these both are swapped, and we need to do this much only, just the swapping. So once we swapped it out, we need to update our previous and current value. So we will update the previous is equal to second, right? And the current will be third. Why I'm doing such? Because right now these both are swapped and this is pointing to here. So that's why I am taking my previous and putting here, and I'm taking like I am taking my previous and putting the on second. Sorry, it should be the current, okay? It should be the current, and then current will be pointing to the third. So by this, by my new link node, like one, two, three, four, five. So now my previous will point here, current will point here, and in while condition, I will update my second and third, and that's how. I- In next iteration, I will swap them out. Like I need to swap these both now, so that's why I will swap them out. So let's go to the coding part now to solve this question. Now let's remove this code and let's write the question. So first of all, as I am taking a node here as dummy is equal to link node in which I am taking data as 0, right? Uh, just remove it out. Now I am taking my current as head. Then I am taking my previous is equal to dummy, which doesn't had anything. No? That's now I am running my one condition while current and current dot next. So till that I need to do something. What I will do, I will update my second as current dot next, and there will be a third. Third will be second dot next. Or either I can do current dot next dot next. Now I will do my swapping part here. Second dot next is equal to C. Second dot next. What it needs to point? It needs to point the current, right? So we need to write here current. Now I need to update the current dot next, which will point to the third. And then there will be previous dot next, which will point to the C, to which it is pointing. It is pointing to the second, right? So it is pointing to the second now. Now at last, by coming like in pre, like this much is only the swapping part. And now I need to update my previous is equal to current and current is equal to third. And at end, I can return previous dot next. And let's check it out really or not. Actually, it is taking lots of time. Let's see what will be the output. Okay, it is not properly clear. There is some problem. Okay. Yeah, so for creating the node, actually, right now, like I am taking the previous, so it should head the next as head. Means Right now, this is the previous, and in its next, it should point to the current. Okay, that's why I need to provide the next value also. That's why provided the next value here also. Everything is clear now, means everything is okay now. Just one more thing, as dummy node and means the previous is taking the reference which is moving next to next, then next to next. So that's why in last we should return the dummy dot next. And why I'm returning dummy dot next? Because I really don't need this null value, this zero. If I will return my dummy, that time I will get the zero also in output. You can see. I'm just showing it out, which is really not required. Zero in the output. Yeah, it is very slow. Just because of that, I am returning dummy dot next. That means after this, it should return everything. Now let's run again and let's check our code is okay or not. Yeah, so right now it is accepted each and everything, and let's submit it out also. So every test case is passed now. So congratulations, guys. It is done. Now let me show you